Yes. And how are you going to shape the third finger of your left hand? You still have to keep the knuckles curved. So that means your right hand.
Be sober,
You got
boy.
to keep both of your wrists. Yeah. And so, not that far, but this distal joint right here, see how it's caving in? Push against my fingertips. More. There. See how firm that is now? And see how this is collapsing? But your bubble under your bridge there. Okay, so yeah, that, see, look over there. Your wrists don't, this one probably doesn't have to be arched, but the wrist doesn't need to be arched. We need the bubble under the bridge, and we need the firm knuckles. So if I were to come and tap your knuckles would stay firm and not caving. Okay, so now play the first two measures. See how your wrist is collapsing? Here's the bubble. See how your distal joint is caving in? Yep. And then can you show me where your hands are going to jump to after the introductory section? You're going to put your right hand. There you go. And your left hand is going to go. Good. Curve your knuckles. And go back to the original position. Okay, good. And jump to your key position right after you. This is springtime. We're supposed to not have droopy flowers, not till summer, when they start getting too hot. Okay, do you have any questions about this?
Mm-mm.
All right, you can push the square to stop